Well, howdy folks. Long time no see. Charlie with Typewriter Justice here, and today I'm just doing a quick video for a machine out of my personal collection that I've decided to set up for sale because I'm going to be selling some of my machines here in the next week or two. And starting off with this one. This little sucker is pretty sweet. And the case itself is part of what makes it that way, because these machines almost never have a decent case. And this one started off nice, but the zipper kind of sucked. And so I had the zipper redone because there's a local dude who does zippers for suitcases. And I had him do one for this, because this is worth it. 1965 Olympia SF in gray and blue. And there's really no room for complaint on this machine. You can hold paper underneath there. So snazzy, so handy. The case is made in Netherlands, but typewriter's made in West Germany, it says. Yeah, this one's been one of my go-to travel machines for a long time. And it has withstood the test of time and traveled quite well. Got a little bit of scratching right there, because that's where your carriage return lever rests. But that's really it. The SF is quite a feat of engineering for being as small and light as they are. They've got a nice bouncy feel to them, snappy and crisp, and most of the time have pretty good print. This one has exceptionally good print. Got a black over blue ribbon in there. Two color ribbon selector, 3 counting your stencil setting, but I don't know. 10 characters to the inch. Lovely little typer, and we'll put it to the test here. 1965 Olympia SF, serial number 1027551. And you can find the serial numbers on these right back there on the frame. They're kind of hard to see, but if you know where you're looking, it's not that big of a deal. On the black setting, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Pretty snazzy. Go to the red setting here and hit that one more time. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I love having that black over blue ribbon in here. A little alignment test. Pretty sweet. So there you go. Nice little treat in blue and gray and white. You're right on that sucker all day and all night. Ah, love it. And some lucky person's gonna have it out there. Remains to be seen who. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. Anyway, later.